Okay, let's look at the GBPUSD. Let's see if we can actually, you know, follow the market for today. From the previous analysis we did yesterday, I told us that the market can do anything you want to do. Anything the market wants to do, that's what the market does. So your duty is not to predict the market, just learn to follow the market by looking at the candlestick, looking at the structure, follow the market. That's the safest way to trade, because if you predict the market, that the market is going to sell, and the market decides to buy, to go towards the uptrend, because your mind is focused on selling, you won't be seeing the buying possibilities. These have actually affected many traders. The market is going to the upside, because your analysis is telling you downside. You keep on entering a short trade, trying to sell the market while the market is going to the upside, and it keep on stopping you out. So please don't try to predict the market, just learn to follow the market, so that in case if there's a change in your analysis, you can easily follow the market and make the changes. Okay. Now, yesterday we did our analysis, and we find out that the market break out from this structure, and it gave us four possibilities, of which this is the one that played at. I told us yesterday that if the market comes back to this level, I'm going to take a buy to this level. That was the analysis, one of the analysis of yesterday. But the fact that that was the analysis yesterday does not mean that you just enter a buy trade because you analyze it yesterday. So since it's playing out today, you just buy. No, something has changed in the market. So I won't advise you to just buy this market. Now, this is what I will advise you to do. You wait for this trend line to be broken. Now, think this can go. So now this is what the market is telling us as of today, the 24th. Okay. Now, what can I do here? If you want to trade this today, I would advise to if you are a scalper or an intraday trader, you can actually go down to 15 minutes time frame. Then you wait for the market to get to this level. Wait for the market to get to this level. Now, once the market get to this level, you can, if you get to this level, you can take a buy to this level. Now, remember, you can't just take a buy because the market get to that level. Now, I have a video on entry, what you should look out for, what you should watch out for before you enter a trade. I always recommend two major candles, the weak rejection and the engulfing candle. Okay, you can check my video on entry. Now, if the market get to this level, if I see a break of structure and a retest of the structure, I'll take a buy to this level. That is one possibility. Okay. Now, so this is what I'll be expecting the GBPUSD to be doing today. Okay. But remember what I said, don't try to predict the market, follow the market. Now, the market can decide to get to this level, break, retest, and come to the downside. Very possible. Very, very possible. Very, very possible. Or it can give you something like this, break, retest, break, retest, done. So this could be what the market will do tomorrow. But either way, just follow the market. Don't try to predict it. Just follow it. If it gets to this level and you see signs of buyers coming into the market, follow the market. If you break and retest, you see signs of sellers coming to the market, follow the market. So I'll be watching this trade for today, the 24th day of June 2026. My eyes will be on these two setup. Okay, so you can wait for it and trade this setup with me for tomorrow. Okay, so let's look at other pairs. I think this should be it for GBPUSD for tomorrow. So let's watch how it plays out. We'll do the analysis again on the 25th. So we'll keep on predicting the market. I would like to say we'll keep on following the market and follow it into profits. All right, thank you very much. Now, I want to advise you subscribe to this channel and follow every setup that we post every day. You can look at the setup before the market open for the day so that you can join other traders to trade the setup. All right, take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye.